Okay, so this is how you search for properties. Let's see, so where is this guy? Where did he go? Yeah, this guy right here. Okay, so 1042 Churchman Avenue. His name is Jerry Ishak. There, okay. So when you start typing it in, it'll pull it up. And then you can see, okay, so J&A Homes Inc. is what he owns properties under. So, I mean, you can click here and open this up and you can find all kinds of information about the property. Like if Zillow doesn't have the square footage or anything like that, you can go down here and they've got, you know, the number of bedrooms and baths, and let's see, where is it? Okay, so base area, okay. 852, okay, it looks like there's a second floor. And then there's a basement that's 417 and a crawl. So 852 main, 780 upper on this particular one. And let's see how many. There's beds and baths here somewhere. 2 bedrooms, 2 right here. And then so there's all kinds of information, and it's got sales history too, as well. So you can see that with 12,000. What is this? 0 straight. He might have April 2021. Yeah, I don't really know what that means, but sometimes it's a little bit more clear. But anyways, back to this. So we now want to go to owner name and put in J&A Homes Inc. And do a search. And that's not really helping out much here. What's going on? That's weird. Okay. So that works. I don't think it likes the and. Okay. Maybe that's why. Okay. There we go. J and A. Okay, so he owns a bunch of them here. Okay. Cottage, that's a good one. I don't know what this is, but okay, Lexington, Harlan, Washington. Not sure what Edgewood is. Okay, South Emerson's good. Another one on Cottage, another one on Harlan. English. Oh yeah, this guy owns a ton of them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, this is good. Okay, but you can see how to search on there.